Hey guys, today we're going to be installing heat sinks on this Raspberry Pi 4. So here's the Raspberry Pi 4. This is the CPU. This is the DDR memory, or the RAM, and this is the USB controller here. So we're going to put heat sinks on all of those components. So these heat sinks came with the CanaKit that I purchased this in. So this was part of a CanaKit. All-in-one kit that provides you everything. So it's pretty easy, no thermal paste or anything. You just peel this blue sticker off, and that's going to be a challenge. I have almost no fingernails at all. There we go. Now peeled that blue sticker off, and I'm going to place this on my CPU. So I'm going to try to place this as close to the center as I can and hopefully not mess this up. I mean, yeah. So put it on and press down firmly. And there you go. I think I could have done a better job of centering that. Let's see here. All right, so I've got that on about as firmly as I could. I don't know if you can see at this angle in the lighting. Yeah, but see right there, looks like the edge it's not completely covering exactly on center, but then again, the thermal paste is smaller than the surface of the CPU anyways, so I think that's completely fine. So yeah, I'm not completely satisfied with the job I did on that. It's a little bit tilted and it just doesn't feel right. But yeah, that's going to be fine. Yeah, only thing I could say is that if you have fingernails like mine, like no fingernails, these are a little tricky to peel off. So I bought a set of tweezers, which I've only had so much use for, from iFixit. I had another video where I unboxed these and I've used them, but it comes with 3 sets of tweezers. And some of them have a really fine point on them, like this. I'm going to use this to peel this off. And this isn't really necessary. You don't have to use tweezers. It's not that involved of a process. But honestly, I have no fingernails and I can't peel these off. As crazy of a setback as that is. And I don't know how it is that I can't peel this off even with tweezers. And there we go, got the corner of it. So there we go, peel that off. That should be way easier. Anyways. Yeah, so this one, the thermal paste is on center. It actually, on this other one, it was not quite on center anyways, but so it wasn't going to be perfect. So here we go. Got that one on. So yeah, just press down firmly, make sure it's as close to center as possible. And that's about it. That's all I could really say. Let's try this other one, this last one. Here we go. This is coming off a little bit easy. I just wasn't catching it right before. I'm going to edit that out of the video, maybe. So I'm going to place this down with, you don't need tweezers to do this, but I'm using tweezers. All right, so there you go. Press that in place. All right, so there you go. We have our heat sinks installed. Now these are supposed to save you like a couple degrees. So your system will run a couple degrees cooler, but it's not a huge savings. But it's it's worth doing. It comes with the heat sinks, and any performance you can get is great. So yeah, if you think see, that bothers me. It's tilted to the side. That really bothers me a lot. If that bothers you too, leave a comment down below telling me how much it bothers you and how I could have done a better job. If you think it's completely okay, leave a comment anyway. If you have any comments, questions, anything at all you want to say, just leave it down in the comments below. And click the link in the description if you want to see the web page that goes along with this video. And give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, click the little bell icon, and as always, thanks for watching.